So I decided to utilize Evernote as something to help me organize my schoolwork because I often have a hard time with keeping all of my notes for my classes organized. So I made three notebooks, one for my HDFS 201 class, one for my History 104 class, and then I made one that's related to 270, and it's just my about my theme, which is teaching the five senses, and I kind of just made a notebook full of brainstorming ideas and some research in that one. So my first notebook I made was my HDFS 201 notebook. And in this notebook, I have 6 notes. It's just basically notes I've took over the first couple chapters of classes. So I have chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, and then I also have chapter 6. So it's just a way that it keeps me organized so that I know that I have all of my stuff in one place. And so I don't have to worry about it in like an actual notebook. Now the next one I made was for History 104, and it follows the exact same format. I just have the first 5 days of notes in here, so you can see I have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and then down here I have day 5. And then the next notebook that I have relates more to 270. It's a little bit different. It's about the five senses, and my theme that I picked is teaching the five senses in the classroom to early childhood kids, preferably kindergarten and preschool age. So on this first page, I just have brainstorming ideas such as like what the five senses are, who I would be teaching, and some classroom activities I could think of. And then in my next note, I actually have an article that I found for research that was really helpful. And in this article, I used the web clipper to clip it to my notebook and put it in the notes in this notebook. And I even have some annotations here in pink. And in addition to that, I also highlighted some important points that could be helpful here in yellow. And then I added some tags up here, such as the five senses, activities, and preschool so that I could find it easier. So overall, this just helped me to be more organized.